Good morning students. Welcome to this video. Today we are going to see about balanced diet. You know, what is the real meaning of balanced diet? The before itself you should know, every day we are getting the different kinds of food day. Like that idli, dosa, chapati, chutney, sambar, and fruits or vegetables. So every day we are eating that different kinds of food items. Can you guess why we are eating that different kinds of food items? Because of energy. Energy is very important for us. Without energy we can't do any work. So that's why that all the living things, particularly that human beings, is always eating the food for survival in our life. So that's why we are getting the food. Okay. So just to imagine, without food we can't do any work. Definitely, without food we can't do any work. Food provides the energy for us, isn't it? For growth and development, and maintaining in our body. So that's why all the living organisms, particularly the animals, including the human beings, is always eating the food for this purpose only. So the balanced diet means, every day we are getting that different kinds of food item, The diet should also contain components of food like proteins, carbohydrates, fat, vitamins, minerals, lipids, and water are present in right amount is known as called balanced diet. Balance means what? First, the balance means the both are equal. The balance means nothing but no up and down. It's equal. So every day we are getting the different kinds of food items. For example, morning we are eating that idli, sambar, chutney, and lunch we are eating that rice, sambar, rasam, more or puri, and night chapati, dosa. We are getting the different kinds of food. The food item provide that energy for us. The balanced diet means a diet should also contain the components of food. That all the food item is containing in the different kinds of nutrients like proteins or carbohydrate or vitamin, fat or fish or water. Everything is present. Where will present only in the food source only, like plant source as well as animal source one. A diet should also contain components of food, proteins, carbohydrate, fat, vitamin, minerals, fish and water are present in right amount in the food. That is called balanced diet. Do you think that people of all age need the same types of diet? Do you also think that we need that balanced food? For example, your child, the child always feed the mother milk only. And after 2 years, the child they are eating that some food items. After 10 years, 20, 50, 60, So during that lifespan, without food we can't survive in our life. That is very important, keep in mind. So until when we are dying, so people always taking the food. The food is very important in our life, from the child to adult. Just you make your chart, what you eat morning, and what you eat lunch, and what you eat night dinner. Can you imagine, right? What you eat normally? The morning we are eat that idli, dosa, pongal, chutney, sambar. And lunch what you eat? Meals, rice, sambar, rasam, buttermilk and some puri one. And night what you eat? The same tiffin item like that chapati, dosa, idli and dal, sambar and something we are eating. Why we are eating the different kinds of food? Because the different kinds of food is containing that all the nutrients like proteins, carbohydrate, vitamin, fat and minerals So that all the nutrients is important for us because of energy. Okay. And next one, so that's why we are getting the different kinds of food, like the pulses, cereals, and that egg or chicken, mutton, fish, dal item, all vegetables item, all the fruits item. That all the food item provide that all the nutrients for us. So that's why we are getting that different kinds of food item in our life, day-to-day life, isn't it? And the eating the right kind of food is not enough. It should also be cooked properly so that nutrients are not lost. The ancient people, they are eating that raw fruit and vegetables from the forest region, because that people, they are always surviving in the forest regions only. So what are the food item is available in the forest region? So they will pick the fruits, then they will eat. Without food they are eating. When you are cook the food, so during that time, definitely some nutrients destroyed. Some nutrients destroyed. Okay, wow. So when we are eat the fruits and vegetables, the normally fruits is containing, that normally the fruits contain minerals and vitamins. Minerals and vitamins. When we are eat the fruits and vegetables, first we are what you do, first you wash the fruits or vegetables, and next what you do, you cut it. So what will happen finally? Definitely some nutrient it can easily destroy. Whenever you can wash regularly the fruits and vegetables, definitely the some nutrients is automatically destroyed, isn't it? And next one, the fruits or vegetable skin is containing that much minerals and vitamins. The fruit skin, the fruit skin naturally present in vitamins and minerals. When we are wash and cut the fruit, definitely there some nutrients can easily destroy or lose the nutrients. And your mom wash the rice regularly. What will happen? Your mom always wash the rice and dal item, Why you are washing? So the mother think, so they will do the clean, but that is not true. Whenever you wash that rice or dal, definitely some nutrients is destroyed from the food materials. Definitely can't get the full nutrient from that food items. Next, so nowadays we are eating the cooked food item only, So the ancient people, they are always surviving forest regions, so they will get some of the natural fruits or vegetables, they will get the forest regions. Okay, well, after many years later, people they will started the cook and eat. Why we are cook the food? The main point, the taste. Why the nowadays people, the most of the people, they are doing the cooking work. Why they are cook the food? The first point, the taste. The first point, the taste. And second point, easy to digest. And second point, easy to digest. So that's why the people, they always cook the food. So that's why the people always cook the food for taste. The first one, taste, and second one, digestion. Okay. And the vitamins, they are classified the vitamins, ask a question, they classify the water soluble and the fat soluble, like the vitamin B and C, okay, that's the water soluble and fat soluble, A, D, E. The vitamin C get easily destroyed during that cooking because of heat. Some food item is naturally containing the vitamin C. Some food item is naturally containing that vitamin C. When we are started the cook, So that time what will happen? The vitamin C is automatically destroyed from that food item. Okay, automatically the food item is destroyed from that food items. Okay, ma? So that is about the balanced diet. And next one, obesity. And next subtopic, that obesity. The next subtopic, obesity. Okay, ma? So what is the meaning of obesity? I told so every day we are getting the different kinds of food item with right amount or correct amount or good quality. So that is no problem. So in our day-to-day life, we are eating the different kinds of food items. So that food item provides us all the nutrients like proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. So these all the nutrients, these all the components of food is very important. Okay. So obesity means nothing but when people they are getting that fat food item. The too much of fat food item. For example, during the child age period, so particular students, so they are telling, so this food item I didn't like. I want only this food item only. So that is not the good way. We are eat all the food item because all the food item provide the nutrients. Some people they are asked only the particular food item only. That is not good. For example, some student, some child, they are asked only in the fat food items only, or protein food item only, or carbohydrate food item only. Remaining, what about other nutrients like carbohydrate also is there and roughage also is there. So where will get? Okay, so all the nutrients is very important for us. The obesity means that when people they are eating the too much of fat food item, too much of fat food items. The obesity means nothing but when a person eating the too much of fat food items. So what will happen? So when you are getting that much of fat food item, automatically the body will be increased. Increase our body size. Okay, increase your weight. Increase your weight. So when your person they are getting the too much of fat food items, so finally what will happen? The people they will suffer the heavy weight. Okay, why increase the weight? So that is called the obesity. That is called what? Obesity. So obesity causes the some disease in our body. Obesity causes the some disease in our body. So obesity means when a person get too much of fat food item. Okay, so what will happen? Definitely that people suffer that obesity. The obesity means when a person getting much fat food item, what will happen? They increase the body weight. Okay, so that is called that obesity. That is called that obesity. So that way, what you do, like the child or adult, so all the people is always getting that different kinds of food. Like protein food items and carbohydrate and proteins, fat, vitamins, minerals, roughage and water. So all the nutrients is important for us. Okay, thank you.